Happy Sunday, everybody. All right, so I'm going to have this video kept very short and sweet. I'm going to go over the news events for the week and what we did last week so that you guys are aware. But there is a couple of, there's a couple of bombshell news events that you do want to be paying attention to on this week. So I'll go over that in just a moment. Let me go over what we did last week and then I'll go from there, okay? Last week, if you saw my Saturday video, you've seen this as well. Last week for the copycat group, you guys, we did 20 winners and only one loss. And any white space next to a pair, that means that that pair is still open and running. So that means we still have 4 pairs still running right there. And for the year, we are up 104 winners and only 11 losses for the year. And that's done within a 6-week period. Okay, so that's 115 trades that has been taken and only 11 losses. 115 trades that has been closed out and only 11 losses. And if we add in these 4 that's still open, that'll make it 119 and 11. Okay, so anyway, well, they're not winners or losers yet, so I can't count them, but at least we do close 115 of them so far. Okay, so that's where we are. And you can always go right to our website right here to superezforex.com. You can click right here on join the signal service and you'll always see what we did here for the prior week. So here's what we did last week for the signals group. We're rocking still strong. Last month in January, there was 37 winners and no losses. And there was a total of 9,600 pips did in Miss Jenny's 6-figure coach class. And we did 62 wins and only 4 losses for the month of January for the copycat. And here we are for right now. Oh, I didn't even add this. Hold on. That will change that to 40 wins. 40. So that's 40 right here. Okay. And I didn't add a week. I'm missing something here. But either way it goes, I'll fix that later. So that's 102 when it should be 104. Okay. And this should be, so either way it goes. It's off by 2. I'll figure out where the 2 are on my math. But either way it goes, this is where we are. We're still rocking and rolling very, very well. So that's 20, 35, 45. That's where it is. See, 20 winners. So that's 20, 30, 35, 40. So wait, let me see. 20, 30, 35 plus 10 is 45. That's where it is. 45. I knew my math was off. And then we add in that loss right here. So that'd be 7. Okay. So that's 45 and 7 so far for the month. Okay. So that's where the numbers were. Okay. There we are. All right. Anyway, neither here nor there. Those are small little semantics. But either way it goes, we're rocking and rolling. Okay. So anyway, you can always go and check this out. I'll try to keep it as accurate as possible. Just go to our website right here. Click on the signals to keep track of what we've been doing for the whole year, just like we did last year, okay? If you want to join the copycat, it's right here. If you want to join the signals group, it's right here. All right, let's get into the news. So on Monday, Australia is having their meeting minutes, and this is the Bank of Australia that sets the tone for interest rates. So this is important. Whatever they come out saying, I don't know what they're going to say. So there could be a spike in the market on the AUD pair. So just be very careful when you're trading the AUD on Monday. CAD is coming out with inflation rates on Tuesday, which is very important. See, it's over here on the inflation under don't trade during these events if you're new. If you're new, I would say when you see these come up on my videos, avoid it on that day. So CAD is coming up on Tuesday with inflation rates. USD, this is coming up FOMC minutes. See, meeting minutes. And that's also this Bank of Australia's meeting minutes. Okay, these are people who set the tone. The banks are setting the tone for the interest rates. So the Feds are coming out with the FOMC meeting minutes. So if you're new to trading, I would suggest hold off on trading during this news event. Any USD pairs could cause a spike in the market depending on what they say. If they say they're going to raise interest rates or lower interest rates, you're going to see some rocking and rolling. If they hint towards that, there's going to be some rocking and rolling. If they don't hint towards anything or don't say nothing, then the market tends to stay pretty calm, okay? But either way it goes, we don't know what they're going to say, so that's the problem. Now, these can be impactful. They tend to impact the markets, the stock market, more than they do the currency markets, but it can do a little shaking, have a little shaking going on. So the AUD is coming out with their manufacturing numbers on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Euro is coming out with theirs on Thursday at 3:15 a.m. The pound is coming out with theirs on Thursday at 4:30 p.m. I'm sorry, I meant to put that a.m. a.m. Okay, a.m. And then 4:15 or I think it was 4:15 actually. I think it was 4:15. Either way it goes, around that time, you'll see them coming out with their numbers, and then the USD is coming out with jobless claims. So that is what's going to be happening for the week. So the main ones that I would be concerned with is that one, and this one, and this one. Those are the main ones that I would be actually looking out for. These, they may cause a little blip in the market, maybe, maybe not. But those right here that are highlighted in yellow, those are definites that I personally, if it was me in your shoes, which I am as a fellow trader, these are going to be the ones that actually bothers me the most, that I'll be keeping my eye on. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of that. All right, you had enough time. I'm clicking this video off. Time to move on and enjoy my weekend. So do you. Have a great trading week, and I'll see you on the inside.